Hello! This is Jenny. You are watching PapCorn channel. Here is my collection of handmade blind bags. Look, for now they still fit in this small box. As usual for this video, I made a whole new sticker collection, which I call Times Square. The stickers are inside these color bags. Let us have a look. All of them are different. Blue, yellow, purple. On each bag I drew a pattern for a copybook. There is a special page for them in the journal. What do you say? Which one shall we take? How about this one with a diagonal blue pattern? It has a 5 on it, you see? This is the bag number 5. Now let's take the whole box and pick one bag from each collection. Alright, the first collection is called Fall. You already seen it in the previous video. I'm taking this green bag with a leaf on it. Next goes the little collection. The bags are all the same, so I'm simply picking one. The following collection is different medical masks with cute drawings in them. Also, we'll choose one. Look at this! There are only 2 bags with red cups left. Let's take this one. And the last one will wait for the next opening. After the red cups, there goes the color bags with beads inside. Should I take this yellow one? And again, there are only 2 bags with the clouds inside. Do you remember? Those clouds remind us of some animal. Okay, one for now. One for later. So here is our set of blind bags for today. Wanna open the journal with me? The first page presents the Pearl collection with only 2 remaining empty spots left. And do you see our bag? Oh, here! Yellow with a blue clip. I am opening it. What is it going to be? Here they are, the new beads. Oops, I think they are upside down. They have this oblong shape. The beads are designed with red and blue lines. They show you the contour at the bottom. Wow, I cannot believe this. There is only 1 empty spot left and 3 unopened bags. Can you guess how it is possible? You think those might be the doublings? The page after this one contains the red cups collection that is almost done. Right now we will get the last cup. 3, 2, 1. You see, we have the doubling. This big cup with hearts on it, we already have. That's why I will put it in the special pocket on the very first page, only for the doublings. Well, as you see, this page didn't get anything new today. Comment down below which of these 3 cups you like the most. As for me, it's definitely the big one with hearts, because I like to pour myself a lot of tea. What goes next? Oh, the clouds. The bag itself looks like a cloud, right? And there are some birds here flying. Alright, let's open it. What a cute little rabbit! Oh, it's definitely a rabbit. You can guess straight away. But in the previous video it was difficult to tell. It could be a turtle. What do you think? This is the correct shape. Let's not forget the check mark. Only 1 cloud is left for the next opening. Comment your guesses. The shape of what animal can it be? And here we have little collection. Let's see what's going to be inside this green bag. Ooh, we got this smooth green leaf. And it also does reflect light a little. Look, there is a leaf on the page as well. Means it's the right place. On the other side is a little piece of tape. A very simple handmade sticker. Turning the page over, and now we are at the medical mask station. We already have 3. Let me show you. One green with white dots on it. The other one that is a little strange and has 4 eyes. And finally the last one that looks like a puppy's cute face. Time for the new bag. It is made of red thick paper and also has a mask on it. Inside this bag there is... Oh, look! 2 masks at the same time. Do you see? One of them is black and white and has a beard drawn in it. Actually, I cannot wait to see how this mask looks on the girl. Look, it's a funny face mask. The second one is a simple medical mask that you can purchase in any pharmacy. I will also try it on a girl. Why not? Such masks are needed so that we don't catch cold and start sneezing. Like I am doing right now. Here we have the fall collection. There are 2 items on this page for now. A handmade craft with acorns and matches and red rubber boots. Now, what are we getting in this nice little bag? This is the item that we all need during cold autumn, or better say winter. A warm red beanie with a pom-pom. What number is it? It is number 3. The beanie is also a handmade sticker, so I will go ahead and stick it to the space with number 3. Now what is left is the new collection. Do you remember the name of it? Times Square. I will glue the patterns under the specific numbers. By the way, these bags make such a cool sound when you open them. Pay attention. Did you like it? We got the pattern that contains pink and green tapes. You can draw it yourself in your copybook. And if you don't know how to, leave a comment and I will record a tutorial. Okay, I should glue this pattern under the circle 5, like this. And of course, a check mark. Now, will you take a look at all the collections with me in reverse order, so we can remember all the stickers we got today? Let me know in the comments which collection you like the most, and I will see you soon. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.